Hello everyone, myself सैयद रफ़ीदीन. आई एम a स्टूडेंट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट पॉलिटेक्निक नांदेड़. आज मैं आपको को जनरेशन एंड ट्राई जनरेशन प्रोसेस के बारे में बता रहा हूँ. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. को जनरेशन एंड ट्राई जनरेशन प्रोसेस. Cogeneration process. Cogeneration is a very efficient technology to generate electricity and heat. It is also called combined heat and power, as heat and power are produced simultaneously. ये जो कोजनरेशन प्रोसेस है इसमें हीट और पावर एक कॉम्बाइन यानी एक साथ प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, इसलिए इसे कॉम्बाइंड हीट एंड पावर प्रोसेस भी कहा जाता है. Using excess thermal energy to generate electricity and useful heat, less fuel needs to be consumed to produce the same amount of useful energy. Next is principle of cogeneration process. Cogeneration is a way of generating both thermal energy and electricity in conventional thermal power stations. Outlet steam needs to be cooled before pumping it to the boiler again. Cogeneration allows for using the waste heat and thus enhancing the overall system efficiency. Here is diagram of cogeneration process. Next is essential components of cogeneration power plant. Prime mover. It converts fuel into heat and electrical energy that can be used to generate mechanical energy. Generator. It transforms the mechanical energy into electricity. Heat recovery system. It collects the produced heat. Type of cogeneration power plant. Combined cycle CHP plant, steam turbine CHP plant, internal combustion engine and gas turbine. Next is advantages and disadvantages of cogeneration power plant. First is advantages. Enhancing operational efficiency to lower head cost, reducing energy waste, thereby increasing energy efficiency. Disadvantages. Not an intrinsic energy source and not suitable for everyone. It requires large diameter heavily insulated metal piping for the hot water work. Next is trigeneration process. Trigeneration or combined cooling, heat and power is the process by which some of the heat produced by a cogeneration plant is used to generate chilled water for air conditioning or refrigeration. An absorption chiller is linked to the combined heat and power to provide this functionality. Next is principle of trigeneration process. Trigeneration is the production of combined cooling, heat and power from a single generator or process. The system produces electricity and useful heat which is utilized for hot water, space heating or steam production as well as energy efficient cooling. Here is the diagram of trigeneration. Next is essential component of trigeneration. Number first is prime mover. In prime mover, fuel is converted into mechanical energy. Generator. It transforms the mechanical energy into electricity. Heat recovery system. It collects the produced heat. Next is advantages and disadvantages of trigeneration power plant. First advantage. High efficiency production of electricity and heat. Provide energy efficient cooling using waste. Disadvantages. Low COP 0.3 minus 2.5 and low cooling power per unit volume and weight. Non-intrinsic energy source. So here we have detailed about cogeneration and trigeneration process. Thank you.